Are you ready to invest in your future and start building long-term wealth with cryptocurrency? Today, we're talking about Kraken, one of the world's leading crypto platforms. With Kraken, you can build your crypto portfolio by investing in a variety of digital assets and managing them from a single platform. Whether you're new to crypto or already have experience, Kraken provides tools designed to help you navigate the market with confidence. If you'd like to get started, check out the referral link in the video description below. Why Kraken? Kraken is known for its strong security standards, user-friendly platform, wide selection of cryptocurrencies, and helpful educational resources. It's a platform trusted by millions of users around the world. Kraken also offers opportunities to earn rewards on eligible crypto assets, allowing you to grow your holdings over time. Reward rates and availability vary by asset and location, so always review the latest information directly on the platform. Once again, if you're interested in joining Kraken, you'll find the referral link in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more crypto and investing content. Important, any welcome bonus, promotional reward, or referral incentive depends on Kraken's current promotion terms and eligibility requirements. Check the referral page linked in the description for the latest details before signing up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.